So I'm out here at a job today in Guildford. Basically what's happening is you've got a granny flat down the back. Now currently the internet is going to the granny flat. They want to relocate that to the main house. But what they also want is a cable going back to the granny flat to have a phone on there. Because there's somebody living in there, one of their family, and they want to have a phone on there. So looks like they've already got all the cabling in place. So it's just a matter of rejigging a couple of things and whacking one extra cable in. So I want the cable now. Come in here. Right, so this is going to be some little comms room they're going to have here. So we're going to run a Cat 6 here under the house. And you've got a socket here, is where the existing leading cable comes to. And then from there, I'm pretty sure there'll be a cable running back down to the granny flat. So I'm going to run a few tests now just to make sure we can do that. I'll jump into the house and then do all the connections. So under the house now, and I've got this cable here. So I've got my tone on down to the granny flat. Now this cable shoots out, I thought it was a leading cable, but it's not. It actually goes back out to the NBN box on the side of the house. And then there's a Cat 5 cable that goes from there down to the granny flat. But this cable here, which you can see over here, that one, that's going down. There's a conduit, you can't see it here, but there's a conduit down where it's coming out of. So that's going straight up into a socket. And then that was connected here. So I don't know why NBN's wired this up, because I left the bridge taps and everything on it. So I'm going to remove all the bridge taps from this and just have the direct line going straight to the socket from the leading cable. And then from there, we'll use one of the other pairs of the cable, of the Cat 6 cable that I'm using, to bring the dial tone back down, and then to put it onto this, which will then send the dial tone directly down to the back granny flat. So we'll use this leading cable to bring the internet into this house here, and then on that same Cat 6, I'll drop it down, which I've got this Cat 6 here, which is this one, and then we'll use the orange-white pair then to send a dial tone down to the granny flat. All right, so now I'm going to do the little connection under here, and then go put some sockets on and plug everything in and test it all. Alrighty, so now you can see I've got the leading cable coming from the street. That's connected to my blue-white, which is now going up into that closet that I showed you. And then I've got the orange-white connected to this other two pair here, which is feeding out to the side of the house, which is going to the NBN box, the side of the house, which then connects to a category 5 cable, which then shoots down to the granny flat. I'll show you that. I'll put a couple of cable clips on this to get it up off the ground, because it's really, really damp under here. It's going to be a bit muddy. So, at the box now at the side, so you can see the two pair there, that goes under, and that was connecting, that's the one that's going to bring our dial tone back. Our dial tone will come back on the blue-white on this one, and then that will shoot off on this Cat 5 down to the granny flat. Okay. But yeah. So now I've got the socket here with the internet. As you can see, it's all working. And then got this one here coming out of here, sending the dial tone to this one, which then sends it down to the granny flat. Happy days.